About his latest test.
A minus, huh?
You proud of me?
Very proud. Minus. Better go hit the books again. Get up there.
C minus. C-M-I-N-E-S.
Did you even study?
No, I didn't.
Wow. How impressive is that?
Well, the bar for the refrigerator has been lowered, huh?
Well, grades are meaningless. Maybe's last school didn't even have them.
Back in Boston, Maybe's parents had enrolled her in a progressive school with its own system of evaluation.
All I'm saying, Lindsay, is that, you might want to push her a little bit because a kid without discipline can get into some pretty tough stuff.
So you think she's going to suddenly turn to drugs because she got a C+?
Minus. And yes, I think that without boundaries, a kid can get into trouble. And yes, sometimes that could mean drugs.
Well, I think stress is what leads to trouble. You know the kind you put on George Michael even when he gets an A?
Minus. And an A gets him ice cream, he knows that.
See, you're as bad as Dad with his ridiculous lessons.
George Sr. had used his considerable means to stage intricate scenarios to teach his children what he considered valuable life lessons.
I need help.
I'll get my gear.
Typically, these scenarios would involve a man named J. Walter Weatherman, a one-time employee who lost his arm in a Bluth Company construction accident.
Why are you here?
Remember, we're out of milk. I could have got it earlier if someone would have left a note. Innocent man would still have his arm. Why?
That's why you always leave a note.
Well, those lessons worked, didn't they? I mean, we still leave notes to this day.
Oh, that's what that was about. I thought he was trying to get us off dairy.
I need a favor.
What happened to hello, I need a favor?
I owe Hot Cups $500.
Hot Cups?
It's a stripping agency I used to work for. Cop uniform?
Right.
You know, I might have been just a little too believable.